Hey guys, and welcome back to the Simple Kai Guide channel. In today's short video, I will show you how to fix this worn out start-stop button on a BMW i3. What you're gonna need is one of these plastic razor blades, and then you're just gonna scrape off the remaining residue that's on the button. As you can see, it's coming off super easy. You can probably just use your nail or uh, something like that. You can use an X-Acto knife. Some people use that, but I prefer not to scratch it even further, especially if it slides off and you scratch, some of the plastic around it. I prefer to use something soft like this plastic one or your nail. But yeah, it comes off very easily. Ideally, you would leave like about an eighth of an inch on all of the edges, but mine is just peeling off, so I don't think there's a point of leaving it since it will just peel off in no time. Alright, so now that all of the coating is gone, I'm going to use some of this isopropyl alcohol. I think it's like 97% alcohol on this one, but basically you just want to get it disinfected and remove any remaining residue. So I just sprayed a little bit on here and I'm going to wipe it off, wipe it clean. Okay, give it a second to dry. And now we're just going to apply one of these decals that will make it look brand new. Let's do it. Of course, you want to line it up properly, make sure it's all good. All right, that's not too bad. I may have taken off just a bit too much on the side here, but we can easily color that in with a permanent marker and it's not even going to be noticeable. But yeah, it looks good and it actually glows through. Done. And there you go, guys. It looks much better in my opinion. It only took me, 3 minutes to do, and it was only $5. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.